Ngwatanio ya manasi na Esikya Nimeekia Saii Wiwano kati wona Muvea wa Uiiti na uima wa Mweu wa Kusyoketha Wiani Mayonania Mwambiio wa Uthukumi ainene Atetheesya cha kwikia Saii kila kivikito ni mutaalamu wa Uiiti PS Muthoni na munyanyae wa kiwia wake Hari Kimtai ni maisye kana Silikali ni yuyumbanite kwithukiisya kiyocho Kaleb Chano nukutwelesya.
Wiwano ula wekiwa ni ngwatanio ya Atetheesya na nurses va Kenya na Muvea uima wa Mweu Wiwano la ukusi Uthukumi ama uima wa Mweu makisyokethia Wiani etina wa kwitikilana yulu wa maundu amwe ala manenda ameaniwe ndini wa seso ila atongowe ni andikiani ni Muveani wa uima wa Mweu na Secretary General wa chama cha Kenya Union of Nurses and Midwives Seth Panyako yu Uthukumi mekwata mbesa cia risk allowance uniform allowance kati wa asiendu ingi. Seth Panyako akiweta kana uni Wiwano wambe na ula waita uvuvucho munini kwa Uthukumi.
We have met some grounds which are going to be a foundation to achieve what we have. But one of the key issues is that the government made a promise with us in 2017 of enhancing our uniform allowance, collective bargaining agreement, and uniform allowance, and nursing service allowance and risk allowance. In this CBA, we have gotten our risk allowance, we have gotten our uniform allowance enhanced by 5,000 shillings. We expect it to go up to 25,000 in subsequent CBAs.
Mwandiki munene maunduni ma uima wa Mweu ma wanda kana public health Muthoni na muname mwandiki munene maunduni ma ndawa kana medical services Hari Kimtai ni mathingila kana Silikali ni kuikithia kana Wiwano une Wiani na kumenda Uthukumi ya kusyoka Wiani kwa thangau.
This is the union that has not gone even on industrial strike in a very, very long time, because we have been in conversation and we have agreed on a number of issues and they have been patient, and you can see patience pays. Secondly, this is the first ever collective bargaining agreement with the Ministry of Health, and we are happy to achieve it together and again implement the same together. So I want to ask my dear brother Panyako that the same patience that has seen him go through this and agree with us is the same kind of issue that we would want to continue working together.
I want to assure the union that as agreed in this collective bargaining agreement, we shall endeavor to deliver on our part as a government. Our request therefore is to the union to urge their members to continue dedicating themselves to delivery of service at this very critical juncture where we are implementing universal healthcare coverage.
Kaleb Chalo, Mutongo TV, Vilingi wa Mavo.